Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You lock in Zed and begin by choosing a high burst AD core. This gives you kill pressure early. Learn why. Shadows double your threat and create instant burst windows. Once done, bind your shadow keys for fast swaps and practice W placement in short drills to internalize timing. Make sure to trade around level 2 through 3 when your passive and ability combo outscale enemy short trades. This first phase sets tempo and forces your opponent to play reactively rather than proactively. You now transition to mid-game, where decision-making matters more than raw combos. Use your R to commit on isolated high-value targets, execute the full WEQAA combo, then swap to your shadow to exit safely. This explains how burst and mobility combine. Once successful fights open map pressure, split push using your shadow to fake numbers and force responses. Make sure to monitor energy and cooldowns. Don't stay in prolonged fights without your item spikes, because Zed wins in quick. You finish games by turning small advantages into objectives. Seek flanks, pick enemies isolated from vision, and use your resets to re-enter fights quickly. If CC or spells block your burst, active items like Edge of Night let you secure clean engages. That's why item actives matter as much as raw damage. Once done, always assess threats. If you miss your ultimate or get collapsed, switch to safe split push or peel for carries while your R and shadows cool down. This single tweak fixes many failed attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.